What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk, and today I have an unboxing and review for you of the Creative Soundblaster JAM V2s. Ultra light Bluetooth over ear headphones. Let's see if they're any good. So here we have the Creative Soundblaster JAM V2. So pretty much I picked these up to give these a try. I am looking for a Bluetooth headset. I've been using wired headsets mainly for work and for the likes of Teams and Zooms and that sort of thing. I was looking for something not massively expensive, but something Bluetooth to just get rid of the wires and things like that. Simply because from time to time I go out and about, and the last thing I want is to be pulling out a laptop and then having cables connected all over the place. So I picked this up. So let's get a look at it and see what the quality's like and see if it's worth the money. Trusty unboxing knife. So we have a USB-C. I like it already. So there we go. So in the box, there's our headphones. As it says on the box, these are ultra lightweight on-ear Bluetooth headphones, and they are really light. I think the plastic's heavier. No, I'm joking. It's not. Inside, then we've got spare ear cups, and yeah, I'm not going to read that. Or that. Or that. So yeah, that's pretty much it in the box. Cable, ear cups, headphones. So whoa, they are really light. So that's each cup. What I like about these, the buttons are pretty clear on the side. There's a bass button here on the side of the cup, and there's your play, pause, telephone answer button, volume up and down. Pretty straightforward. There's no buttons on this side, which is the left. So all the buttons are on the right. And again, USB-C port there for charging and that sort of thing. This is a quite well-spec'd little headset. Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C. It does come with noise cancellation for both what you hear and what the person on the other end hears from the mic, which is a great feature. And the batteries on these is, as quoted on the box, up to 22 hours of playtime. Yes please, I'll have some of that. Definitely well spec'd. These are a very good comfortable fit, being lightweight. They very lightweight, very comfortable. Don't really know that they're there, to be honest. So yeah, not too bad. Didn't have to expand them too much. For them being very lightweight, I sort of half expected there to be a trade-off. I sort of expected them to be billed as ultra lightweight. I expected them to be cheap. But these don't feel cheap. They don't feel cheap and, as if they could break easy. I mean, they're lightweight, but they feel sturdy as well. And, they don't rattle or anything like that there. So, it's pretty good. Happy days. Let's get these paired up to a device and get them checked out. I might add, one of the things I do like about these sorts of headsets is, now personally it's just my preference, I don't like a protruding mic. So the fact that the mic is built onto the side of these is subtle, it's hidden. I like that. We'll check that out and see if that hinders the sound quality of the mic anyway. So yeah, let's get it checked out. Let's check. Now, let's hope there is some charge in these. Which there is. Oh, pairing mode. Soundblaster JAM. Connected. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. These are also Bluetooth 5.0, so I could connect these into my phone, to my tablet, to my laptop, and I could use two devices at the same time, which is a really, really great feature. There's nothing worse than having to go, oh here, hold on a minute, oh wait, hold on. Yeah. One does all. I like it. I'm really intrigued to see what this bass button does. That was a really stupid thing to say. Obviously it's going to give you bass, but I'm interested to see what sort of difference it makes. Sound is pretty much what you would expect from something from Creative. It's pretty crisp, pretty clear. No complaints there whatsoever. Volume's excellent on it. Yeah, that's very good. Let's try this bass button out. Whoa. I was kind of skeptical that that would make much of a difference, but yeah, that makes a massive difference when you hit that bass button. Wow. That's an excellent feature, that. The mids and the trebles just get that little bit better, and the bass is more pronounced. Definitely. They are really impressive. I dig it. Another fantastic feature of these headphones is that there's noise cancellation built into the headphones themselves to help drown out noise around you, but there is also noise cancellation built into the mics to help drown out background noise for the person that can hear you speaking, which is a great feature for these headphones. So I'm going to do a mic test on these now just to show you the quality of the mic. So this is a test of the inbuilt mic on the Soundblaster JAM V2s. Hopefully it's good and crisp and clear. Again, these headphones are sitting on my ears and relatively comfortable, which is quite good for me because I'm not overly a fan of over-ear headphones. So yeah, hope you like it. There's a bit of background noise. There's a bit of background noise outside, a lot of kids running about and playing, and hopefully this drowns out that noise. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Even wired headsets for the likes of Teams and Zoom are like 50 to 60 quid to buy. These here, I got these on from Creative directly for $35.99. Bargain, absolute bargain. Are these worth it? Absolutely. This is for the features, and yeah, I'm sold. Great job, absolutely great job. So these are definitely going to be a lot handier for me carrying about in my laptop bag rather than carrying about wired headsets and cables and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, top marks from me. The only thing I will say is I need a case. Creative, you need to do a case. Put a case in there with it. I'll give you another $5. That just about covers this for me today, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Are you in the lookout for a Bluetooth headset? Definitely give this thing a look. It's definitely worth the money in my opinion. A lot of other headsets I've been looking at have been a lot more expensive than this, and Creative are quite a well-known established brand. Creative Soundblaster, always good stuff. I have a set of Creative Soundblaster speakers on my computer I've had for about 12 years, and they're fantastic. So yeah, absolutely, definitely pick one of these up. Hit that like button, guys, hit that subscribe button, you'll find that right about here, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks, guys.